Here's how you can make
the best chicken I have ever had.
I'm delighted to hear that.
from Better Call Saul and Breaking Bad. Mr. Frank told me the secret spice blend and I'm gonna share it with you all. It's basically a mix of... never mind.
The seasoning is so flavorful.
After you season your chicken, let this marinate in buttermilk and pickle juice. In a separate bowl, mix flour, rice flour, and your secret spice blend and mix it with water to make a batter. Coat your chicken in the same seasoned flour mix and then enter the batter and fry these at 350 for around 10 minutes or until they're golden brown and an internal temp of 165.
No, really, I'm serious. I mean, it's crispy, but it's not dried out.
Oh, okay, this is probably one of the best. Okay, I'm not good at frying chicken. I don't know, for a lot of people, like my boy Golden Balance, frying comes easy. For me, I have a lot of trouble with it, but this came out nice. I also finally finished Better Call Saul. It was a sad ending. It was a good show, but I think it's about time we see a prequel to Gus's story. We need to know how he came up with this fried chicken recipe.
Let's make blue candy from Breaking Bad.
Here's how you can make
Spice Girls.
from Better Call Saul and Breaking Bad. Grab a russet potato and stick it through this peeler that I had to buy, which will give us our curly fries. Let this soak in ice cold water. Now Mr. Frank said I couldn't tell you about the secret spice blend for the chicken, but he didn't say anything about the fries. Never mind. After you mix your spices with flour, pour in water to make a batter and coat your fries. Now fry them at 350 until they're golden brown. And that's pretty much it.
The curly fry with the southwestern kick.
This is probably the best homemade fries in general that I've made so far. I don't know, there's just something about the batter that makes these extra crispy, and the curls just add that extra layer of crunch. These taste like old school Popeyes fries. 9.4 out of 10. I don't know how Gus does it.
Come in and try our new curly fries. We are so sure you'll like them. And if you don't, they're on me.
Los Pollos Hermanos. Taste the family.
Here's how you can make the birthday breakfast from Breaking Bad.
Whoa, what happened there?
It's my birthday.
Yeah? Well, happy birthday.
Unfortunately, it's not actually my birthday, and I'm also not at a Denny's, so I had to buy all these ingredients. I just got some bacon, cooked that in its own fat, cracked a couple of eggs, and then I also grated down a potato and cooked that in the bacon fat, and then I plated it as per Heisenberg's artful masterpiece, and we have the birthday breakfast. I'm just not sure how they got their potatoes so white. I don't know what kind of dish that is, or I'm assuming that was hash browns. Usually hash browns are crispy and brown. Those were pure white. If you guys know what that was, let me know. But yeah, this is a solid birthday breakfast.